Do you want to give your Android phone a sleek, modern look while reducing eye strain and saving battery life? Dark mode is the perfect solution. Whether you're using your phone at night or just prefer a darker theme, enabling dark mode makes your Android experience more comfortable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on your Android device, plus a hidden trick to schedule it automatically. Let's get started. Dark mode changes your phone's interface from a bright white background to a black or dark gray theme, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. It also helps extend battery life on OLED and AMOLED screens, as dark pixels use less power compared to bright ones. If you want a cleaner and more stylish look for your phone, switching to dark mode is a great choice. The easiest way to enable dark mode on Android is by using the Quick Panel option. To enable dark mode using the Quick Panel, start by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. If you don't see the dark mode option immediately, swipe down again to expand the Quick Settings panel. Look for the dark mode icon, which looks like a crescent moon or a dark screen, depending on your device. If you don't see the dark mode toggle in Quick Settings, you can add it manually. Open the Quick Panel again and tap on the edit or pencil icon, usually found at the bottom or top of the panel. This opens a list of available quick settings. Scroll through the list, find dark mode, and drag it into your active quick settings area. Once added, you'll be able to toggle dark mode on and off with a single tap whenever you need it. After you add it on the Quick Panel, tap on it once, and your phone will instantly switch to dark mode. You can also enable dark mode on most Android devices using the Settings options. Open the Settings app and go to Display, or on some Android phones, Display and Touch. Look for the dark mode or dark theme option and toggle it on. Your phone's interface, including menus, notifications, and supported apps, will instantly switch to a dark background. If you want dark mode to activate automatically at night, Android allows you to schedule dark mode based on time or sunset and sunrise. To set this up, just tap on dark mode and select Schedule. You can either choose Turn on from sunset to sunrise, which will automatically enable dark mode in the evening and disable it in the morning, or set a custom time for when dark mode should activate and deactivate. Most apps now support dark mode, but some require it to be enabled separately. If an app doesn't switch to dark mode automatically, open the app's settings and look for the Theme or Appearance option. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, Chrome, and WhatsApp have their own dark mode toggle, so make sure to enable it for a fully dark experience. If your phone doesn't have a built-in dark mode option, you can force it using developer options. To enable developer mode on any Android device, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Look for the Build Number option, which is usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap Build Number 7 times in a row. After a few taps, you'll see a message saying, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." Keep tapping until developer mode is fully activated. Once done, you may be asked to enter your device's lock screen password to confirm the change. After enabling developer mode, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to find a new section called Developer Options. If it's not visible, you may need to check under System and then tap Developer Options depending on your phone model. Now, find on the list of options the feature called Override Force Dark. This forces dark mode on apps that don't officially support it. Enabling dark mode on Android is simple, whether you do it through Settings, Quick Settings, or Developer Options. Whether you want a better-looking interface, improved battery life, or reduced eye strain, switching to dark mode is a great choice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Otherwise, the next time you need to enable dark mode, you'll be right back here searching again. See you in the next one.